here in Brown and Holmes in Tamworth, Michael. What is it you do here?
I'm a CNC programmer. I'm in charge of it up here, doing various programming and machining ops.
And what does the company do? I see you're making some fixtures.
Yeah, we're a precision work holding company globally, doing various work for Rolls-Royce and Rolls-Royce Nuclear.
So we're here today for Rocol. How long have you been working with them?
We've been working with Rocol for about 10 years now. Their product's really good, excellent. We have a great relationship with them. Any problems we have, they're on site and trying to cure the problems that we do have.
Yeah, and on this particular site you use Ultracut Evo 250. And I know you've noted off camera that it's actually increased your tool life.
Oh yes, very much so. We've used various other products before in the past. That's the tool life it doesn't exceed as much as what this stuff does. Also, the evaporation on the coolant is better, and the smell is one of the reasons why we got it. It doesn't smell after a bit, and yeah, it's really good product.
And on your other sites, you've had great success over the last 10 years using Rocol.
Yes, definitely. Yeah, over the road, they've been using it for about probably 9 years now, and same support and the same results as well.
Mm-hmm. In terms of the Ultracare, when they come on site and they test your machines, I think they come in every 2 weeks here. So how do you find that?
Yeah, very comforting actually, to be honest. You know that the product's been looked after, and it's something that you ain't got to look for. They come up to us and tell us if there's any problems, and they'll alter it there and there on site.